In a quaint little village, surrounded by vast green fields and cobblestone paths, a young boy named Ali lived with his grandfather. Ali was a kind-hearted and curious child, but life's constant challenges had begun to weigh on him. Ali had lost his parents in a tragic accident when he was just 8 years old. From that day, his grandfather became both his guardian and his guide. Though his grandfather was wise and full of life's lessons, the hardships they faced were relentless. The two lived in a modest house that seemed to creak and groan under the weight of time. Ali's grandfather made a meager living repairing old furniture, but the income was barely enough to keep them afloat. At school, Ali often felt the sting of embarrassment as his worn-out shoes and patched clothes made him stand out. Still, he was determined to make something of himself, believing that education was the only way out of their struggles. One harsh winter, their financial troubles reached a breaking point. The roof of their house began leaking, and the coal seeped through the cracks in the walls. Ali would often wake up shivering in the middle of the night. One evening, he found his grandfather sitting by the dim light of a candle, stitching a torn blanket. "Grandpa," Ali said, his voice quivering, "why is life so hard for us? No matter how much we try, it feels like the world is against us." His grandfather paused, placing the needle down, and said, "Ali, life has a way of testing those who dream big. But I promise you, these struggles are not meant to break us, they're meant to shape us." Despite their hardships, Ali's determination only grew stronger. He took on small jobs after school, cleaning yards, delivering milk, and even mending old books in the village library. Every coin he earned went toward their household expenses and his school supplies. But life wasn't done testing Ali. During his final year of high school, his grandfather fell ill. The medical bills piled up, and Ali found himself working late into the night, sacrificing sleep to care for his ailing guardian. Exhausted and overwhelmed, there were days when he felt like giving up. One day, as Ali sat by his grandfather's bedside, he confided, "Grandpa, I don't think I can do this anymore. Every step forward feels like 10 steps back." His grandfather, frail but determined, took Ali's hand and said, "Tomorrow morning, come with me to the old watermill. I have something to show you." The next morning, they made their way to the village's ancient watermill. The wooden wheel creaked as it turned, driven by the relentless flow of water. The grandfather pointed to a large, smooth stone lying beneath the wheel. "Do you see that stone, Ali?" he asked. "Years ago, it was rough and jagged. But the constant flow of water has smoothed it over time. Life's struggles are like that water. They may feel harsh and unending, but they are shaping you into someone extraordinary." Ali listened intently as his grandfather continued, "Just like this stone, you must endure the hardships. They are polishing you, preparing you for the future. And just as the wheel keeps turning, so must you." Inspired by his grandfather's wisdom, Ali doubled his efforts. He balanced his schoolwork, jobs, and caring for his grandfather with newfound determination. He graduated with top honors, earning a scholarship to a prestigious university. Years later, Ali became a successful engineer and built a comfortable home for himself and his grandfather. But he never forgot the lessons of the watermill. He often returned to the village to mentor young students, sharing his story of perseverance. Standing before them, he would say, "Life is not fair, and the struggles are real. But remember, every challenge is like water flowing over a stone. Embrace the struggles, for they are shaping you into who you are meant to be. And no matter how hard it gets, keep turning the wheel." Ali's life became a testament to the power of resilience, proving that even the hardest of times can lead to the brightest of futures. His struggles were not in vain, they were the foundation of his success.